Plastic bag machine control system. User-friendly interface. User levels.
Availability to access all calibration and machine settings.
Programmable logic controller and motion controller integration.
Accurate edge detection. Speed synchronization. High productivity. Warning and alarm system. Projects department. Through our specialist staff we solve most complicated application in several fields of industry, in addition to industrial automation solutions, technical support and after-sales service.